We spend a lot of time in this room playing games. It's our game room, but I also spend a lot of time in this room recording videos. But even if you're not recording in rooms, having something on the walls or rugs helps with the sound quality of a room. Because we're such an artistic household, I didn't want sound panels that were ugly. We want beauty in our rooms. And I found these. They also had some dog ones that were adorable, but I went with these. These appear to be really easy to use. They came with these little sticky things. I'm gonna try hanging them and see how it goes. I'm gonna start by figuring out how the best way I think the picture will look. I've discovered something. It appears that they have two that go together like this. And so it may make a giant picture, which I don't have room for the whole picture, but I can definitely do these two together like that. It's quite lovely. I really, really like it. This sticky is actually museum gel. I've used museum gel for so many things. I've just never had a square one quite this large. All mine are little bitty circles. I will tell you, museum gel, it sticks. This is a wiry felt on the back and more of a smooth felt on the front. Very thick. In the middle is condensed, maybe cardboard, some kind of material that I don't recognize. Quite thick. Extremely good quality. This does not peel off easily. This is lifting up. Maybe I haven't pressed them down hard enough. The hardest part about doing this project was peeling the backing off of the museum gel. It's hard. No matter how big of a piece it is, it's hard to get that off. These will not move. I can tell you that based on my experience with museum gel. The quality of these is phenomenal. It looks like I have hung beautiful pieces of art on the wall. I'm just blown away by the quality of this. It's so good that you can't even tell they're panels unless you get up close. This is a panel and you can't even tell. If you didn't know, you would think this was canvas. I absolutely love it. It is going to do exactly what I wanted it to do, and it's going to look way prettier than I thought it would. If you're not subscribed, it's the time of the video where I tell you to subscribe now because I need you to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I need you to help me get there. You're going to want to subscribe because I'm sharing random stuff like this that you never even knew existed. I'll have these linked for you below so you can go get you a set. All of this comes in the one set. See you real soon.